a puncture, a slogan in my tyre today. Noticed this and this one. I think that's a stone. It's not the best of tyres, it's a wee bit worn here, but there's still life in it yet. So I don't see anything else in it. Except tyre 2, which look like nails. So I just want to see if I can see any air coming out of that. Yeah. Definitely bubbles coming out of that one. And that one. So I'm going to try and repair that. And that. So this is what I've got. I've got this kit here where we put the patch in. Don't know how good they are. Got the wee kind of reaming tool and the nit and the needle. We've also got glue. And we've got these small plugs. Again, I'm not that bothered if I don't fix it, but I'll have a go at it anyway. So these are wee plugs. I'll take one of them out. So these wee plugs kind of screw in. Don't know how effective they'll be, how they'll be able to screw in there, but we'll try them. I think I'll try that one on the screw and this one on the wee tiny nail. So the tyre itself, get my wee device here and just check. I've got to slacken that first. So it's got about 5.4 mil remaining. 4.6 on that side. .3 there, and 4.5, so it's got about 4.5 mil available. So that's why I wanted to just try and see if I can repair this tyre. So I've never done this before, so what I think you do is the tyre's pressurised, they're about 30 psi in that, is we'll take that out, put the reaming tool in there and make it, I'll get it and show you. So we get this tool and open it up a wee bit and hold it in. Then we get our plug, push it straight in, and we'll see if it seals. So I'm going to prepare the plug for this prior to trying to do it. So the idea behind this, I'll put that over there now, is to get one of these. I don't think they're any different widths, maybe a wee bit. Okay, different sizes, but I'm not sure. So the idea is to take this off and put it through this eyelet here, and this will be fun. Let's see if I can get that through there. Kind of get a grip of that side here. It's coming. There we go. So get that in about the middle, I think, and that should push into the tyre. So I'll leave that there. I'm just going to open this glue if I can. In case we need a wee bit of glue. And that's the instructions. We take the thing out, push that in, stick that in. Looks simple. Let's see how it goes. So I'm going to have that tool and that tool. So I'll take this out first. I'll try and screw it out, if not I'll just pull it out. So that's the nut out, or the screw that's in it. And the idea is to try and you can feel the pressure. I don't think I'm going to get that in there. So this is supposed to rough it up. Looks alright. So I'm pulling this out and I'm going to try and put this in. Here we go. It's pretty hard. Aye. Just stick it in the tyre, they said. It's certainly in a wee bit. I've got my rubber hammer. Yeah, that didn't make a dent in it. Let's try twisting it in. It does seem to be sealing it, but
Is that the tyre off? What is it in it?
The nail.
Did you not realise that?
I think there was 2 nails in it.
I'm trying to get it out.
I'm trying to repair it.
Okay.
So
What
that's
repair kit?
well, I'll pull that out. So let's see what this does. I don't know if I get it in deep enough there. You see that? No, doesn't seem to be any. Doesn't seem to be any bubbles coming out it. Oh, there is a wee bit. See it in the middle. wee tiny bit in the middle. What would happen if I screwed this in? Maybe try the smaller one. Right. There's no bubbles coming out it now. Okay. I'll leave that at that. I've got this one now. It's a wee tiny nail there. I'm not sure how I'm going to get that out. I'll get the pliers. Let's see if I can get this out. Can't really get a grip yet. Look at this wee reaming tool in it again. It's a wee bit on low this side, so okay. So I'm going to try a plug in it. I think we should try this one. I might, let's see what size the hole is. Right, okay. So I have to try and get this out, this plug in. Yeah, it's going in alright, if you can see that. Can't really see any air coming out it. Try this other side. Nope. Nope. So what I'll do is, I've got the wheel off anyway, so I'll pump it up to a particular pressure. I'm going to go out for a few hours and come back and see what the pressure's like on this tyre. So I'll leave it for maybe an hour or two, but for you that's all I'm going to be in the blink of an eye. So let's get it pumped up and we'll see what pressure we've got. Come on. So, what we got? 31.4. Let's pump it up. Try and get it to 37. 37.5. So I've got it to 37. I'll leave that for a few hours. I'll come back to that and check if these repairs are worth the effort. So it's been a few hours to test my tyre to see how they're getting on. This will wear away by running. This one looks alright, a wee bit close to the edge, that one, so I'll probably replace that tyre, but hey ho, just testing to see if it would work. And I'll see what pressure's on it. Just bear with me. So let's get the pressure gauge. Oh. 36.5. I probably let some air out there. Pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Just stick it in the car, test it. My first attempt at repairing a puncture, although probably more temporary than anything else, but it seems to work. So that's us. Wee quick video for this time, guys. In fact, hold on a wee second and I'll just spray some water on that. That one. Don't see any bubbles at all. Nope, cool. Well, at least know that works. What I would love, should have done was get a wee bit of glue in there, possibly in there. We'll do that for the next time. But to get you out of the hole and as a temporary fix, that's a success. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.